Let's make a beautiful, simple, healthy recipe, dal palak, जो प्रोटीन से भरा हुआ है. It has some palak, which is full of fibers, very very healthy, very humble and very very tasty. Let's start with some beautiful fresh palak. We are going to simply remove the stems away, chop it up real nice. ओके, अब हमने अपना पालक यहाँ अच्छी तरह से चॉप कर लिया है. अब हम ये कुछ सोक धुली मूंग दाल लेंगे, which has been soaked for about 2 to 3 hours, which should be good enough. We are going to pour it in the pressure cooker. Now we are going to add some turmeric powder. We are going to add a little salt, and we are also going to add a little bit lime juice. Alright, अब हम इसमें अपना चॉप पालक डाल देंगे. अब हम इस प्रेशर कुकर को बंद कर देंगे एंड उसको हम 2 से 3 सीटियों तक कुक करेंगे. ओके, अब हमारी दाल जब तक कुक हो रही है, हम तब तक इसका ब्यूटीफुल टेम्परिंग यानी कि तड़का रेडी कर लेंगे. उसके लिए हम सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा जिंजर और गार्लिक चॉप कर लेंगे. इसमें अगर आप फ्रेश जिंजर गार्लिक डालेंगे, जो उसका फ्लेवर आएगा वो किसी भी पैकेट वाले जिंजर गार्लिक से शायद ना आए, बट इट विल डू द जॉब. Let's open the pressure cooker and have a look. Look at this beautiful bubbling dal. Perfectly pasty. The palak is obviously cooked and so is the dal. Now let's get to its tempering quickly. We are going to take in some ghee here on the flame. अब हम इसमें अपना ये चॉप जिंजर और गार्लिक डाल देंगे. इसको अच्छी तरह थोड़ा और हीट करके कुक करेंगे. थोड़ा सा हींग, थोड़ा और टर्मरिक, थोड़ा सा जीरा एंड थोड़ी सी स्लिट ग्रीन चिलीज और सिर्फ एक रेड ड्राई चिली. जस्ट लेट इट हैपन. I can smell the freshly slit green chilies now being rendered very well with the ghee here. अभी हमारा तड़का ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो चुका है. अब हम इस फ्लेम को ऑफ कर देंगे एंड लास्ट में सम कश्मीरी रेड चिली पाउडर एंड वी आर गुड टू गो. एंड नाउ गोज आवर तड़का इनटू दिस ब्यूटीफुल दाल. Now that the dal is ready, take out your fulkas of the pan, take out your rice on a beautiful plate, put some ghee and enjoy a meal.
So here I've taken 1 cup of rice and I've cleaned it properly. So I'm going to soak this in water for about 20 minutes before we start cooking the rice. So I'm going to heat some water. I'm going to let this water come to boil, after which we'll add the soaked rice to it. So the water has come to boil and I'm going to add the soaked rice to it. I'm going to let this boil for about 6 to 7 minutes until the rice is completely cooked. For making jeera rice, it's important to add oil so that the rice doesn't stick together. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to add some salt. So now I'm going to drain out all the excess water. I'm just going to spread it. Make sure you do not break the rice. So as you can see, the water has drained completely and the rice is ready. For making jeera rice, I'm going to drain it again in cold water. So now we'll start the preparation for the jeera rice. For making the jeera rice, I'm going to heat a kadhai. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. So I'm just gonna let it melt completely. So the ghee has melted. To this I'm gonna add some cumin seeds. My jeera rice is ready. To this you can also add some chopped coriander, or you can have it as it is.